Directed at boosting India's automobile and auto components industry, the Ministry of Heavy Industries has launched two production-linked incentive schemes. These are part of the central government's vision of making an Aatmanirbhar Bharat, as it will promote domestic value addition in the manufacturing sector. The decision to start these schemes shows that the Ministry of Heavy Industries is aiming to create a bright future for India's industrial sector. The PLI scheme for the automobile and auto component industry will be a game changer, and the budget allocated is rupees 25,938 crores. This scheme is directed at creating 1.45 lakh new jobs and escalating sales by rupees 2,31,500 crores in the next 5 years. It is a step to make the country self-reliant, as the scheme requires a minimum of 50% domestic value addition in products manufactured in India. The other PLI scheme for National Program on Advanced Chemistry Battery Storage is aimed at establishing a world-class manufacturing facility for ACC batteries in India. For this initiative to be a success, the government has allocated rupees 18,100 crores for 7 years. It is estimated that the scheme will create 2.7 lakh new jobs, and it requires a minimum DVA of 25%. These schemes will help India to get a competitive edge in the global marketplace, place India among the world's leading industrial powers, and create a better standard of living for its citizens.